Oh, John Eric go missing. I don't know where he's go, but yeah, John Eric go missing. I don't know where John Eric be, but he's missing. So we need to hunt John Eric fast, or someone probably take him. So I will hunt him, and I will go outside. Brother, I still not hanap him. It's been one day. I still not hanap him. But I will go outside. Brother, where are you? Brother, where are you? I need to hanap him. It's so dark. I don't see my brother yet. So I go home. I'm in my home now. See, I'm in my house now. I still haven't my brother yet. I still not see him. So I tell you, and I see my brother Eric. I'm Jerry. So I still not Eric yet. I still not Jerry though. So I tell you, and I see him. I go home now. Oh my God. Comment, say where's John Eric going to the chat. So, peace out. Okay, still not find my brother yet, so I go in my house. Okay, I'm in my house now. See, in my house, but in the comment say where is Eric at, because I still not see him, so I'll go to my house. Peace in the next video, and tell me where is my brother at. Subscribe my channel and peace out. John Eric is out. John Eric is out.